Hello everyone, a special thank you to Rodrigo in Redwood City, California. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed in quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you seeing Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Rodrigo's Ray-Ban 6396. This is color 2936. The crystal and silver, and he got the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Grey with the silver white flash mirror, so his lenses are going to match the frame color here very shortly. Of course, all Ray-Bans, the ophthalmics comes with a hard shell case, the Ray-Ban cleaning cloth. Of course, you get the original demo lenses that came with the frame. You're going to get the Zeiss packets where your lenses came in. I've highlighted, he got the single vision Photofusion Polycarbonate Extra Grey EXG, the DuraVision Mirror White. I call it silver white. I've highlighted the prescription for his right eye. Same thing for his left eye. He's going to get a Zeiss Premium Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, and he's going to get one of my own Premium Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. As well as a self-request for Rodrigo, I would love to have two pictures. One with you inside showing them clear, and then one with you outside showing the silver white mirror. Now, it looks like it has a little bit of a silver anti-glare coating on there now. That's the residual effect of the mirror. Same on the front and the back of the lenses. However, all flash mirrors come with the premium Zeiss DuraVision Sun back surface anti-glare coating. So let me go ahead, hang on, clean these one last time. There's some sawdust floating around from me cutting lenses. This is what they look like clear. I'm going to go ahead and activate them, meaning I'm going to expose them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute 15. Now, this is important. Everyone pay attention. All photochromic lenses will get dark on day one and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks or exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time that a traditional photochromic lens won't turn dark is behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, if you have a motorcycle or a convertible, they will. Look at that silver mirror. Look at that, match the frame. That is tough. Anyone who wants lenses to match the frame color, this is it. Now, when I turn it around, you're going to see the greenish color of the back surface anti-glare coating now. Now again, when he looks out, he's going to see the dark gray. When everyone looks at him, they're going to see that silver white mirror. Look how good that looks. Now, the other thing, they're temperature sensitive, meaning they'll get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, the Photofusion Extra Grey are designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside. And these will get darker in hotter weather. So if you live in a hotter state or you just want the darkest lens possible, go with the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Grey. Now, the other nice thing about the Extra Grey lenses, they block 50 to 70% of the harmful blue light emitted from today's electronic devices such as cell phones, tablets, computer screens, and more. And of course, the regular Photofusion gray, brown, green, and blue, like I wear in the blue, blocks 30 to 50% of the blue light. So that is it. If you have any questions, go to the Contact Me page of the website. If you want a live question answered in real time, call Jigsaw. He's the hardest working jigsaw piece in the box. His number is 919-491-2411. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. I'll have a link in the description below as well as above in just a moment where you can click on the link to go to the website so you can see all the colors that this frame comes with. But again, Rodrigo in Redwood City, California, thank you so much for the purchase of the Ray-Ban 6396, color 2936 in the 53 eye size. And now hopefully everyone else, click on this link above to go to the website. And now everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.